Here's a quick Panopto tutorial. In this video, we'll show how to enable and edit ASR Captions. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is find your video in Panopto and click Edit. Then choose Captions and expand the Import Captions drop-down box. From here, choose Import Automatic Captions. Let's take a look. Next, check the captions for errors and edit as needed. You want to look for punctuation, spelling, and other errors. Remember, captions must be 99% accurate for people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Let's take a look at that editing feature now. After editing has been done, click Apply and then OK to close the editor. When your updated video appears on the screen, you can choose the CC button, which will be located on the video player, to enable your captions. Speaking German, I found this on YouTube. So you'll see the captions are showing here. The CC button is on the video player. You can click it to activate or deactivate it. And now your ASR captions have been completed. For more information, visit accessibility.uncg.edu/demos-checklist. That's accessibility.uncg.edu/demos-checklist. Thanks for watching.